talk, them a scheme, but pay them no mind. Positive vision a go uplift mankind. Them want see you fall, but rise like dawn. Stay true to yourself, keep moving on. Them spread dark words, try break your drive. Just stay in your lane, keep the dream alive. Real people big you up, love overflow. Step into the light, watch how you glow. Stay far from bad mind, them want drag you down. Lift your head high, wear your crown. Do good in a life, keep your spirit divine. Stay away from bad mind, just focus on your shine. Watch who you trust, some smile but deceive. Snake in the grass, tricks up them sleeve. Jah guide your steps so you will never stray. Focus on your goals each and every day. Them wish for you fail, but rise up stronger. Heart full of love, them can conquer. From ground to the heights, you are royal king and queen. Spreading pure vibes, let the good sound ring. So stay far from bad mind, them want drag you down. Lift your head high, wear your crown. Do good in a life, keep your spirit divine. Stay away from bad mind, just focus on your shine. Life is a journey, let Jah be your guide. Stay true to the path, never slip nor slide. Evil eyes watch, but you far too wise. With Jah beside, you will see through the lies. Them fling shade, but you blaze bright. Every setback a lift to a higher height. Keep your circle small, but let your love grow bigger. With love and light, your spirit gets stronger. Stay far from bad mind, them want drag you down. Lift your head high, wear your crown. Do good in a life, keep your spirit divine. Stay away from bad mind, just focus on your shine. When pressure come, hold your ground. Positive energy spread all around. No time for hate, only love officiate. Tell them to keep them distance, don't have them near. Lift up your brethren, uplift your sister. Unity strong, we conquer again. Count every blessing, let the love align. Together we rise every single time. Stay far from bad mind, them want drag you down. Lift your head high, wear your crown. Do good in a life, keep your spirit divine. Stay away from bad mind, just focus on your shine. Remember this message, me send it clear. Stay far from bad mind, my friend, persevere. In this life you have to strive and climb. With love in your heart, you glow and you shine. Lift your head high, you're destined to rise. Stay far from bad mind, open up your eyes.